What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a look at the upcoming Air Jordan 13 Retro in the Los Angeles Lakers colorway. These are set to drop this coming Friday, July 19th for a retail price of $190 US or $255 here in Canada. So the official colorway for this shoe is white, black, court purple, and university gold. So this pair should be available at most Jordan brand retailers around the world. For those of you guys watching from Canada, these will be available at The Closet Inc., which is a sneaker boutique located in Southern Ontario. So I'll add their social media, their website, all that good stuff down below, so be sure to grab your pair this coming Friday. As for the shoes, so the LA Lakers will be forever tied with Michael Jordan because his first NBA championship was won against the LA Lakers back in 1991. These Jordan 13s commemorates that and incorporates the Lakers colors on the shoe. So taking a deep dive into the sneaker, for the most part, the upper of the sneaker is constructed using a very soft, very tumbled white leather. The quality of this leather feels pretty good, and while it feels like it's a pretty thick cut of leather, it's also pretty soft to the touch as well. Covering the sides of the shoe, we have this overlay of more tumbled white leather, but it features the circular stitch pattern that almost gives it like a quilted look. On the medial side of the shoe, we have something very similar, however on this side, this panel extends all the way to the front of the toe box. At the base of the toe box, right where the laces start, we have your signature Jordan tag done in black and white. Above this, we have your laces, which is just your standard thin rope laces in white. And then underneath this, we have your perforated white leather tongue that has this black Jumpman embroidered at the very top. So underneath this white leather, we have this very regal, very bold purple suede. So you'll see not only does it cover a portion of the upper of the sneaker, it also covers a portion of the midsole itself. On the lateral side near the back heel, we have this hologram, which has a Jumpman and 23 found within. Pulling out the insoles, we have your signature black Jordan brand insole with a Jumpman logo on the heel. So the upper of these Jordan 13s sits atop this midsole that, as I mentioned earlier, is partially covered in purple suede. This is supposed to resemble a panther's paw, so we have these black pods that protrude out of the side of the shoe. Found within the midsole itself, we do have Nike Zoom Air, which is found both underneath the forefoot and underneath the back heel. Turning these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your signature Jordan 13 outsole. So first off, we have this carbon fiber shank plate found in the center, along with another circular Jordan brand logo found on the lateral edge. We also have these white rubber pods that have herringbone traction pattern found within, and it wouldn't be a Lakers shoe if it didn't have the signature yellow, and this is found on the forefoot and the bottom heel. In terms of how these fit, so my feet measures as a true size 10, and I got these in a size 10. Relatively speaking, Jordan 13s I feel like they're a little bit narrow in the toe box, so if you have really wide feet then I'd probably suggest going up a half size. However, if you have slightly wide feet or normal or narrow feet, then true to size should be perfect. When I wear these with thin or normal socks, they're perfect, but if I was to wear these with Nike Elite socks for example, then the toe box might cause me some discomfort. From a comfort standpoint, so the Jordan 13 is decently comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, it does feature Zoom Air within the midsole. However, it does feel a little bit clunky on feet, and it's not the most ventilated Jordan either. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these Jordan 13 LA Lakers look on feet. All things considered, I wouldn't say that the Jordan 13 is one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes in its entire line. However, when I first heard rumors of a Lakers colorway, I was kind of skeptical as I thought that the purple and yellow might be a little bit too much. So with that said, I do appreciate that they left the upper predominantly white, purple, and black, and then they kept the yellow strictly as an accent color on the bottom heel. Yes, I'm not in love with the Jordan 13, however, this colorway is very, very wearable, and the quality on this pair also wasn't bad either. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about these LA Laker Jordan 13s. Do you guys plan on copying a pair this coming Friday, or is this a pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, if you guys are watching from Canada and you plan on copying this coming Friday, be sure to check out The Closet Inc. I'll leave their links, their website, all that stuff down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.